Hello my friends, in this video I will show you how to install an HP printer without installation disk. Open your browser and type freeprintersupport.com. In the search box type your printer model. Click in Highlight Printer Model. Here you can find full feature driver, INF basic driver, print and scan doctor utility for all Windows versions for 32 and 64-bit Linux, Ubuntu and Mac OS. Click on Basic INF Driver Download button. The INF driver don't work, you can try with the full feature driver option. When the download ends, extract the file. Check if your driver is here. Copy the location of the driver. Connect the USB cable to the printer. Connect the power cable. Push the power on button. If you check the status of the printer, you will see that we have a driver problem. The solution of this problem is to update the driver. You can paste the location who I copied before. Browse for driver. The Windows make a new printer icon, select the new and delete the old.